hard folks at Dominion Fireworks, who have provided the best fireworks display in the minor leagues all season long. Thank you guys, a terrific job. All right guys, don't leave us. We actually have more t-shirts to toss into the crowd. And if you'd send your kids down to the first base gate, we'll get them ready for Kids Run the Bases. We'll be tossing t-shirts out as we get the stadium lights back up and warmed up. If you happen to be leaving us, walk extra carefully out to the parking lot as it is dark, and be extra safe in driving home. Remember the